Well, I changed the turn signal bulbs with Lasfit, one of the best, claimed to be one of the best LED light lamps in my Toyota RAV4. These originals are those bigger ones, and I was afraid that this LED will have problems after long time working. So I did a test. Now for 15 minutes I changed the left bulb with LED, and the right one is the original one. And after 15 minutes of work, I can feel this one is quite hot, and original one. And LED, it is warm but not so hot as original one. So let's measure it. It has 32, 35, let's say 35 degrees, 36 degrees Celsius is the top measurement on the LED, on the Lasfit LED after 15 minutes of work. And on this side, original ones has 42, 40, 41, 43, 42, up to 43 degrees Celsius. So I can say that original lamps run hotter than this one. Those are cooler, those LED ones are cooler, and there is some significant improvement in visibility. You can see this is LED and this is original one. Let me just blur a bit so you can see the difference.